Hello and welcome to What's in the Shop Wednesday. We take you behind the scenes here at Blackout Tinting and show you what we're working on at all of our locations, at least for now. Behind me, we've got a Chevy Silverado 2500 HD. Unique truck, you don't see this color very often, and it's got like a two-tone thing going on with the front bumper, as well as a graphics package. Front and rear bumpers are both black, door handles, mirrors. Pretty cool. We haven't seen that package before. It's neat. So we're doing the full front end, PPF on the hood, fenders, front bumper, and mirrors. And then after the paint protection film, we are going to be doing a ceramic coating. So that's going to get done today as well. It'll cure overnight and get ready for pickup tomorrow. On the lift, you guys are probably sick of seeing this. This is a Dodge Challenger. This was in a little while ago, then it had to go back to finish some bodywork stuff, and now it's back again to finish up the vinyl wrap. So this is an Avery color shift color. So depending on like where I'm standing right now, it looks purple and blue. Where John's standing, it very well might look orange. It does like 3 different or 4 different colors depending on the angle that you're looking at. So pretty cool material. We're gonna be done with that one today. And another vinyl wrap. We've got lots of vinyl going on right now. A vinyl wrap on a Mercedes-Benz CLS for our friend Carson. Changing this from white to KPMF. I think this is called Gloss Vampire Red. We love KPMF. It's got a really nice glossy finish, and we're in the middle of that. That should be done by the end of the week. We also wrap the roof black. We'll be hitting the antenna, turning it black as well. You can see with the vinyl wrap why some shops might charge more than others. We're probably more on the expensive side, but we do full disassembly, almost like a paint job teardown. Some people like to leave everything in place and cut around things, and you end up with lifting and peeling and stuff like that. We try to make a wrap that lasts a long time. Behind the truck, we have a Dodge Charger. Just got out of the prep bay. It's ready for PPF. I'm sorry, not PPF, ceramic coating. It's getting polished, and then the coating will be going down after that. In the wash bay, Bryant is working on a Toyota Tacoma. We just finished up PPF on the hood and the rocker panels of that one. It's gonna be coming back for a ceramic coating a little bit later. And Zach is doing an excellent job polishing and coating this Volkswagen GTI. It looks like a mirror. Our goal when we're done with a polish and a ceramic coating is that it actually looks better than the day that you picked it up off the showroom floor. So a lot of times on the showroom, there's micro scratches and swirl marks just from transport and from guys washing the car from the time that it left the factory to the time that it ended up in your hands that kind of don't know what they're doing. We remove all of their damage and then we ceramic coat it. You know when you see me and Jimmy vinyl wrapping, we're too busy. I'm working on the Challenger. Jimmy's working on a chrome delete on a Lexus F Sport. Caleb has been here for quite a few years, polishing, ceramic coating. That's what he's doing right now on a Mitsubishi Outlander. Exciting news, Caleb is going to be transitioning into PPF and learning that skill. We're making some moves in preparation for some bigger moves coming up soon. We'll let you know about those soon. In the tint bay, Terrell's working on a Dodge Ram. This one had a window with some adhesive failure. The customer brought it to us, bought it from a dealership. They said we tinted it. We don't know if we tinted it or not, no receipt, but we're gonna go ahead and take care of it for the customer. Looked like it had a hand-cut top edge, so I don't think it was us, but that's okay, because this is a good customer, somebody we've done some work for before. We wanna take care of them. That's what we're doing here. Outside, lots of cool cars here too. Cadillac Escalade here for a chrome delete. That's why you see all those pieces of blue tape all over it. That helps us allow the vinyl to slide into place on pieces that really can't be removed or easily removed. Beside that, a Ferrari F12. What a beautiful car. This is from our friend Wes. It sounds amazing. We had it up on the lift. It's got a Fab Speed exhaust on it. So this car is a little bit older. It needed some paint work. So it went to a guy that we know that does a lot of paint work for us. He basically repainted almost the entire car. It's back to us. We're doing PPF on top of that, and then we're gonna make the roof black to mimic what it looked like prior to the paint job. So we're gonna be doing some vinyl wrap on the roof, the A-pillars, the hatch, and then part of the rear quarter. This thing looks incredible. These wheels are the factory wheels, but he has carbon fiber lip wheels that are just incredible that he didn't want on it when it went to the paint shop. So hopefully Wes sends us some pictures of this when it's all done. We have a Honda Accord. So this is an interesting situation. We tinted this many, many years ago, and we always stand behind our warranty. Our tint has a lifetime warranty. Does that mean it will last forever? Probably, hopefully, but maybe not in some cases. And that's what happened here. So the back window was having some adhesive failure. I don't think they retinted it yet, but it doesn't look bad. So I'm not entirely sure. I think it's looking wavy from the inside. It doesn't look terrible from the outside. Anyhow, this would have been probably our SunTech material from back in the day. We've switched to Expel since then. Very rare that we have a failure, but when we do, we take care of it. No questions asked, no charge to the customer. So that's what's happening there. We have a Dodge Challenger. This one's here for a polish and recoat on an area that there's a scratch on the quarter panel. And another Dodge Challenger. I think this is called, what is this called? What color is this? Hellraisin. Cool color. This one's here for an annual inspection. This Super Duty was here for window tint. Terrell got that knocked out this morning. And beside that is a Land Rover Defender for a ceramic coating. You can see the reflection of the sun is crystal clear. No swirl marks, no micro scratches. Whole body, glass, plastics, and wheels all get ceramic coated with our packages.
What's going on, guys? It is Wednesday. Let's take a look around our Gibsonia shop. Next in line for a full paint protection film wrap is this Mazda Miata. We're doing a full 8mm PPF wrap on all the red, and then doing a 4-year ceramic coating on the entire exterior. Over here we got Mark doing his thing on this 2025 Chevy 2500. This got paint protection film on the front bumper, tint on the 2 front windows, and is now getting a full polish and 4-year ceramic coating. In the tint bay we got 2 vehicles. Firstly, on the left we have a 73 Buick Electra. This is getting side window tint in 20%. And next to the Buick is a 2025 Camry. We are doing the side windows and the back window in our Prime XR Plus 55% tint, along with 20% on the sunroof. Back in the PPF bay we have a couple vehicles. First up is a Porsche Macan. This is getting paint protection film on the entire front clip. Behind the Macan is a GLS. This is getting a full body wrap. Doing the entire exterior in our 8mm paint protection film, tinting the 2 front windows to match the factory tint, and doing a 4-year ceramic coating. Up on the left, we got the guys working on a new BMW X3. This is getting a track package, 8mm paint protection film, tint on the 2 front windows, and a 4-year coating. That is all for Gibsonia. We'll see you guys back here next week.
Hey guys, welcome to What's in the Shop Wednesday. Let's see what we got going on today.
Up on the list, we have this Ferrari 296 GTB. It's in for some ceramic tint and some graphics. I'll show you some more of that later. We will be sending out the wheels to get powder coated and gloss black as well. This C6Z06 came in for a couple of our services. We performed a full body paint protection film in our XPEL Ultimate 8. We did the windshield protection in our XPEL windshield protection film. And we did a 4-year ceramic coating to top off the PPF. This 911 997 Carrera convertible came in for a removal of all window tint and reinstallation of our XR Plus 70% all around. So the car is completely clear but protected from the UV and the heat of South Florida.
We also removed the factory rock guards that were worn out and faded and replaced with brand new XPEL Ultimate 8 pre-cut OEM rock guards.
In the tint bay, we have this 2025 Ford F-150. It's in for full window tint in our Ceramic Plus, including the windshield.
Thank you guys very much for tuning in. We are up here with the Shop with a Cop Corvette C8. We did PPF tint and a coating on this, and very, very soon we're gonna have a link where you can buy tickets to purchase to win this car. It's for a charity called Shop with a Cop that does a lot of really, really great things here locally in Latrobe. Thank you for tuning in. We will see you next week.